Hello guys, welcome to our presentation, course MAT112, group 5. So as you can see, our leader is Jericho Jonapanan, and we have three members, that is McLean Victor Analisa, Andy Primus, and Sharil Hazri bin Muhammad Asri.
Introduction to compound interest. Compound interest is calculated not only on the original principal, but also on the accumulated interest over time. As interest is earned, it is compounded or converted into the principal, which then grows and earns further interest. Hence, this process causes the principal to increase steadily from time to time. The concept of compound interest are used in financial planning, investment, budgeting, and financial control, making it a crucial role in managing and growing wealth.
An annuity is a financial arrangement involving a series of equal payments made at consistent intervals over time, with common examples including shop rentals, insurance policy premiums, annual dividends, and installment payments. There are various types of annuities, such as annuity due, annuity certain, general annuity, and perpetuity, each differing in the timing and conditions of the payments. Specifically, an ordinary annuity certain refers to a situation where payments are made at the end of each payment period, and the interest and payment periods occur at the same intervals.
Case study 1. You are preparing to open a cafe and need to borrow 18,000 ringgit for 2 years. After surveying different banks, you narrow it down to two options, that is, Harmony Bank that offered an interest rate charge of 6% compounded every 4 months, and Amana Bank that offered interest rate charge of 5.8% compounded quarterly. Now, for this question A, calculate the total interest charge for each bank. In order to find the total interest charge for each bank, we are using the compound interest formula, that is I, equals to S minus P. S are equivalent to future value, meanwhile P are equivalent to original principal. After we are done searching for the compound interest, we are going to compare both of the compound interests and we will determine which compound interest costs the less. The total interest charge for Harmony Bank is 2,270 ringgit and 92 cents. Meanwhile, the total interest charge for Amana Bank is 2,197 ringgit and 10 cents. So when we are comparing both of the interest charge from each bank, we found out that Amana Bank costs less interest charge. Question B. Based on your calculations in question A, which bank should we choose for the loan and why? To answer that question, I will choose Amana Bank because its interests are lower than Harmony Bank. After 1 year, the bank you choose increased the rate to 6.5% compounded monthly. How much will you owe at the end of the 2 years? Calculate the total interest paid after the rate change. In order to answer this question, we first need to find the future value of the first year and the second year by using the rate compounded monthly. After that, we're going to search for the total interest paid. In order to calculate the total interest paid, we're going to take future value and minus it with the face value.
So I will be presenting to you about case study 2. For question A, we will be searching for N, that is our objective. And then the rest is already provided in the question. For A equals to 1,500,000, R equals to 6,500, I equals to 1 over 1,500, and then N, that is how many times Mr. Jamal will pay in the timeline. That is our objective. So for the formula, we will be using present value, A equals to R, and then the rest. So we will be inserting A, that is 1,500,000, and then R 6,500, and then the bracket and the rest. So we will be bringing the 6,500 from the right side to the left side, and we will get how, just like on the screen. So, and then in the bracket, we will be solving in the bracket. We will get the, just like that lah, 1 minus 1.000666667 power negative n over 1 over 1,500. So we will be bringing 1,500 1 over 1,500 to the from the right side to the left side, and then the 1,500,000 over 6,500 times 1 over 1,500 equals to 1 minus 1.000666667 power negative 1. Solving the right side, we will get 0.1538461,538 equals to 1 minus 1.000666667 negative n. We will be bringing the number 1 from right side to the left, so the positive will be negative. So after that, on the left side, 0.15384615338 minus 1, we will get negative 0.846153846 equals to negative 1.0006666667 negative n, power negative n. And then we can eliminate the negative symbol, and then we will be inserting log on the both side, and then we will be bringing the negative n from we will be bringing down the negative n just like on the screen, and then for the n we will be bringing the log 1.00666667 to the left side over log behind. We will be bringing log 1.0006666667 to the left side under log 0.84615384662, just like on the screen, and then we will do the calculation. We will get 250.664594. So for the total years, just that amount, just divide it by 12, and then we will get 20.89 years. So which option should Mr. Jamal choose? I think he should choose the second option, because the total years only take 18 years, faster than the first option. For question B, we will be searching for the motorcycle cost first after the down payment. So 9,600 minus 9,600 times 20%, we will get 7,680. We will be using the same formula, that is present value. So for the A, we will be changing it into 7,680. For the R, that is our objective. For the I, we will be inserting the 3.5% compounded monthly. And then for the N, we'll be inserting the 36 equal monthly payment. So we can solve everything in the bracket. Then we will get 34.12727046. We will be bringing that amount to the left side under the 7,680, then R equals to 7,680 over 34.12727046. So R is equals to 225.04. For interest charge, the formula is interest equals to NR minus A. So N is 36, R is 125.04, and A is 7,680. So our interest will be 421.44. For question C, how much additional payment does he need to make? So we will be using the same formula, that is present value. Just the n, we will be changing it to 18, and then you can solve the everything in the bracket. You will get 17.51080013. We will bring that amount to the left side. So then we will get R equals to 7,680 over 17.51080013. And then R is equals to 438.59. So for additional payment, you just put the 438.59 minus the previous calculation, that is 225.04 equals to 213.55. For the second Roman, interest equals to NR minus A. So N will be 18, R will be 438.59, and then A will be 7,680. So I will be 214.62. For question D, if Mr. Jamal missed his first 6 monthly payments, how much should he pay on his 7th payment to cover the arrears? So we just simply put the previous calculation from question B, that is 225.04. We will times it by 7, then we will get 1,575.28 ringgit. Okay, thank you.